Hey guys, it's Jordan Hetrick, author of best-selling books on how to use GoPro cameras. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove this GoPro battery door on the side of your camera, and I'm going to tell you why you might want to do so. I'll be showing you on the GoPro Hero 10, but the side door on the GoPro Hero 9 is exactly the same, and the Hero 8 is also very similar. This video answers one of the first questions a lot of people have when they're just getting started with their GoPro camera. But for those of you guys who are beyond the basics, go check out my video that I just posted about my favorite GoPro cinematic filming subjects. I think you'll find it very helpful and inspirational. Okay, let's get that side door off and show you why you might want to do that. This door here on the side of the camera is called the battery door or the side door, and this door covers everything that you need to access, such as the battery compartment, the micro SD card slot, and the USB-C port, which is for charging your GoPro. To open up the battery door, you just see this little tab here at the bottom. You just need to pull that down. That's going to allow you to release this little latch here so you can open the door up. When you open the door, you want to just usually open to here. That's where you're going to start to feel resistance, and that'll give you access to remove that battery or access those little ports there. If you go any further, it might pop off and you could break the door, so you don't want to do that. If you actually want to remove that door, and there's a few reasons to do so, you just go up to the resistance point here and pull it, and don't pull it kind of straight out, but actually pull one of the sides a little more, and it'll pop right off really easily, just like that. Okay, when you want to go ahead and put the door back on, you can just look at this bar here and line up this little groove that's on the top of the door with that bar. Put it back near the resistance point where the door was open, and you just kind of slide it right on, and it'll snap back in place. And then when you're done, you can just go ahead and close that door. Make sure that latch is up all the way so your camera's waterproof still. Also, if you're a beginner and you're just getting started with your GoPro camera, or you just want to see some of the newest features in action, I always drop a video on the most recent camera model. It's a getting started guide, beginner guide, and it's just perfect for you guys. So I think you'd find that really interesting if you're just getting started with your GoPro camera. I'll be sure to put a link here in the video description so you can go check that out if you want to. Also, if you want to have everything you need to know about your GoPro camera in one place, I have a book for each camera model, so you can check out the links for that in the video description below. There are a few reasons you'd want to remove that side door. One is if you want to slide it into the media mod, you got to take that door off, and then you're going to line up that USB-C here on the camera and put it in just like this. You can slide it all the way in, close that door. Now your camera's in the media mod. Also, if the door is corroded like this one, eventually salt water is going to kind of corrode that. It gets kind of hard to open sometimes. So if you want to just replace the door, you can buy a brand new one of these and then just swap it out. Also, if you get the USB pass-through door, it allows you to plug the USB cable into your camera while you're recording, so that can be for external power, for example. That's another reason you might want to switch the door out with that other one that GoPro sells. Or you might just get a third-party accessory like a cage like this. It's got its own door with it, so you might want to remove it and use the one that comes with this. Also, I'm sure you'll discover lots more questions as you begin to explore your GoPro and learn more about it. I would love to answer those questions for you. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I come out with a new video, you can be alerted and you can be the first one to watch it. If you're interested in any of those products that I mentioned in this video, I'll be sure to put links down there so you can go find those and have an easy way to get to them. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.